In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly send an email with both read and delivery receipts using Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're new to Outlook or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered, so let's dive in. First, let's get things started by opening up your Microsoft Outlook. You'll want to have the application ready on your computer. If you're using the web version, just type Microsoft Outlook in your browser's search bar and sign in. Having Outlook at your fingertips ensures you're well connected with emails flowing smoothly. Once you've got Outlook open and you're staring at your inbox, glance over to the upper left corner for the button that says New Email. Give it a click. This is where the magic begins and where you'll compose your message. Go ahead and enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Add a subject line that concisely summarizes your email and fill in the body of the email with all the information you want to convey. You can make your message as detailed or as brief as you like. It's all up to you. Just make sure your points are clear and easy to understand for the recipient. But before you hit send, there's an additional step that ensures you're kept in the loop about the dispatch of your email. Head over to the Options tab located at the top of your composition window. Here comes an essential tip. This section is key if you want to know when your email is delivered and when it's opened by the recipient. You'll find checkboxes labeled Request a Read Receipt and Request a Delivery Receipt. Checking these boxes will send notifications back to you, alerting you that your message has been delivered and subsequently opened. This feature is particularly useful in professional settings where tracking email delivery and acknowledgement is crucial, but feel free to use it for personal messages too if you're awaiting an important reply. Once this is set up, you can go ahead and hit the Send button with confidence. And that wraps it up. You've successfully composed an email with both read and delivery receipts activated, making sure you stay informed every step of the way. This Outlook feature really helps when you need confirmation that someone has received and opened your email, and it's as simple as a few extra clicks. Practice this a couple of times to get really familiar with the process, and soon it'll become second nature whenever you need that extra bit of certainty. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your email communication strategy. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Outlook to its fullest potential. Until next time, keep those emails flowing and stay in touch.